Yeah, Patrick's really good, dude. Alright, so we're going to have RefriedJeans versus Darby. These two players actually don't play each other that often, surprisingly, since they're both they're both really good. Both really big threats, Falco threats in the area. Matt Desmond taking off. Oh, actually no, he's about to watch the Falco Ditto. Yeah, well look, another one. There's another one. So, oh shit. Oh, this is real. Fuck. Yo, who's Red Falco? Thank you. So, D1ck's playing Red Falco once again, and RefriedJeans opting for Blue Falco. Perhaps reminiscent of Shinobi V. I doubt it. Actually, no, he does play. He plays Green Falco occasionally also. Good neutral game coming from both players. It's a very volatile map. I think like 1 minute. We can watch it like live up there. Mike? I think so, yeah. Yeah, there's several places. I can show you later. Good back air. That will seal a stock. RefriedJeans taking that first stock. Nice shine pressure. Good combo. Good pressure. Ooh, the missed wave dash causes to a strong hit of back air. Clean stock taking from D1ck. Good back air approaches. That will seal the stock. Looking for a strong hit of back air to seal it. Falco's recovery, not the best. He's pretty frail. Good down air. Will that be it? That will be it. I'm curious if he could have tried it. Well, since Falco's dare is a spike, I'm just curious if he could have tried to up B, because it was only like about 70%, but then again, it's pretty strong. Nice shine pressure. These two players look actually really evenly matched. They haven't played each other in a really long time, so this is really good for them. Tilt, back air. Ooh, doesn't cover. Ooh, does cover it. Not even showing move. Either a back air or a down smash, but it could have been down smash. Nice reverse back air. That will take it. Ooh, RefriedJeans trying to get in one salty laser. That's what I call them. Ooh, misses it. Oh, I thought he was about to go for a double dip, but you can't spare that stock. Okay, I don't think he's coming back from that one. So this game, very, very even. Only 2 minutes and 30 seconds in. We got 1 stock each. It's all about that first conversion. Gets that first big hit. Gets that first shine. RefriedJeans gets it. Both players really trying to control space with lasers. Nice downer. Nice back air. Oh no! Oh no! The missed wave dash. Interesting pressure right now. Lots of pressure coming from D1ck right now. Screw this. I'm calling him Darby. Ooh, nice back air. That won't fit it. Oh no, this might be it! Oh! Ooh. Very clean last stock coming from Darby. Oof. RefriedJeans is a little bit stronger. Taking into Dreamland. Good big first combo. Hey. It like changes though depending on how many people like come to the event. Yeah, maybe. RefriedJeans taking that first stock with actually a really nice combo. Good downer. Another downer. Oh, all the downers. Okay, interesting down tilt pressure. Good angling of shields actually. They're slightly angling their shields, which is really impressive. Ooh, ooh, nice. Shine reverse back air. Doesn't cover the ledge. A reverse back air stuffing out that side B. Oh, interesting up smash choice. Okay, lots of side Bs now. Should have maybe gone for lasers, but right now, RefriedJeans really taking this set by his own, taking this game by his own hands. Oh, great wall jump side B. Doesn't do much after it though. Up tilt, back air. That won't kill though. Ooh, nice down air, take that. 3 stocks of 2. RefriedJeans, up 1. Ooh, up tilt, shine. Oh, laser S smash, I like the idea. Amazing pressure right now, great use of the platforms to attempt to do combos. Interesting, really strong hit of forwarder since that far? Wow. Then again, it's not active for very long. Ooh, doesn't cover that ledge. Back air. Ooh, nice, another back air. That will steal that stock. Really rough right now. 3 stocks looking to 1. Then again, high percent. Good wait by RefriedJeans, waiting for Darby to react, or D1ck. Call him Darby from now on. Down air, shine, down air. Okay, up tilt. Ooh, wow, reverse forward air? That's so crazy. So much use of forward air this set. Ooh, nice shine, I believe. That clanked with the side B. Really good awareness that they have the same priority. Okay, RefriedJeans trying to do some cute stuff right now. Nice back air. This will probably be it. Oh no, don't. Okay. Wow, great 2 stocks by RefriedJeans. Yeah, 1-1. Okay, so 1-1. Sadly, this is losers semis, but this is only a best of 3. So this week in this tournament, we opted to run only finals at best of 5. So now this is gonna be a really tight. Huh? Do a best of 5. Do a best of 5. Okay, so whatever. I'm the TO. Okay, fine. Do a best of 3. Do a best of 3. Fine, whatever. All right. So RefriedJeans ejecting my idea. That's fine.
It's like 2-0. It's like 2 to the best. Totally had another.
Holy fuck. Oh my god, okay, never mind. So we wanted to, okay, so we wanted, I almost wanted to run, like, loser semis best of 5, like, whatever. Okay, so we're taking it to PS1. This is a good choice by, I think this is gonna be a good choice by Big Cheese. I fucking hate that tag by Darby, because the stage obviously changes a lot. Just gonna see the adaptation and see what each player can do. Good laser pressure. Also, the stage is like, very big. But then again, Dreamland was pretty big too. Nice back air out of shield. Interesting. Oh. Ooh, sort of messes up that edge guard, but still has Darby on the ropes. Nice shine back air. That'll be it. Ooh, what was this side B pressure? An interesting option. Ooh, nice down air forward smash. Ooh, double up tilts, triple up tilts, down air. Oh, RefriedJeans trying to catch him out with the down air. Ooh, oh, the clip. Ooh, wow, amazing conversion. Getting him with the down air, that was so fast. 3 stocks to 2 right now. Ooh, lots of pressure right now. Coming from Darby with this amazing combo on the rock transformation. Not much room to fight on. Gets a weak hit of back air. Oh, nice pressure. Up tilt shines. Back air. And that will probably... Oh! RefriedJeans actually popping off a little bit out of his seat, hoping that the IRL DI will help. Up throw, reverse back air. Ooh, the F smash does not work actually, because there's a tiny lip on PS1 when it's Pokemon Stadium when it's transforming that you can actually edge cancel off of. Nice dash tag. Sorry, I meant, well, Pokemon Stadium, whatever. RefriedJeans taking that stock really nicely. Interesting shine stall. A forward smash. Ooh, nice tech chase. Or nice escape from the tech chase. Super even game. Down air. Forward smash. Reads the tech roll. Oh, interesting. Oh, this is really scary for both right now. Ooh, amazing. Nice multi-shine. Amazing back air. This is so scary. Last stock of losers semis. Winner goes on to face Juicy Juice in losers finals. It's all about who gets that first conversion. Who can get it? Down air. Ooh, misses the up tilt. Darby, Red Falco, a little bit too high that percent, but we got this combo going. Oh, he tries to go for the hardest read. Oh my god, collusion! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh no! That's so unfortunate, but great stuff to both players. Win for the